Well, today has been a great victory for the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. This is a battle which we have been fighting for more than 2 months now. There was no investigation done so far. The court has also ruled that the whatever the Mumbai police was doing was having a very limited scope. It was not an investigation. The court has held that the Patna police had the power to register the FIR. The court has also held that the right of the Bihar government to refer the matter to the CBI was also justified. And the court has also said that notwithstanding the reference to the CBI by the Bihar government, the court itself also has said that using the inherent power of the court feels that CBI investigation is the right way forward in this matter. And accordingly, anybody wanting to challenge the decision of the Bihar government to refer the matter to the CBI is also foreclosed. So nobody can challenge, because state of Maharashtra council specifically mentioned to the court that their right to challenge the reference by the Bihar government to the CBI should be retained. And the court said that there is no question of letting that power to be retained, and this is now a court ordered CBI investigation, and accordingly there is no question of leaving this question open. And accordingly, now that the Supreme Court has ruled that CBI will take over this investigation and also any other investigation which anybody feels could be linked to this. So for instance, just as an example, if somebody were to register an FIR saying that Disha Salyan murder is linked to this murder, then that also will be investigated by the CBI. That is very specifically held by the Supreme Court in this judgment. So it's a historic judgment. It's a judgment for justice. And we feel that with this judgment, now that the CBI will come in with full force, we should get some, we should get to the bottom of the truth, and the family will get to know who exactly conspired and in what manner in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Thank you.
Sir, a lot was being said before the hearing. We saw a statement also coming in from Rhea Chakrabarti yesterday, sir. What did the court say anything regarding that, sir?
No, I don't think Rhea Chakrabarti was just trying to, save herself from the perception battle, because she is being, everybody has now seen how badly she is exposed. And according to me, as I mentioned yesterday, by that statement that she gave out, she has actually proved the case that we are wanting to. She has actually helped us. I hope she puts it on affidavit, this statement, which we can use in future, because she has actually established all that we have been saying of her trying to alienate Sushant Singh Rajput from the family and then taking control over him.
सर इसी चीज़ को हिंदी में कह दीजिए सर.
जो रिया चक्रवर्ती ने कल एक स्टेटमेंट इशू किया था, वो एक सिंपैथी गेन करने के लिए किया था. ये उसको लग रहा था कि इस तरह के स्टेटमेंट देने से शायद उनको कुछ सिंपैथी मिलेगी, लेकिन उनका सिंपैथी मिलने की बात तो दूर है. उस स्टेटमेंट से उन्होंने अपना और उनका कल्पेबिलिटी और प्रूव कर दिया है. और मैं तो चाहूँगा कि इस स्टेटमेंट को एफिडेविट में कर दें, जिसमें इस स्टेटमेंट को हम यूज़ कर सकें ट्रायल के दौरान.